Hey, this is Michael from Studio One Expert. In this video, I'll show you a great feature of the Boz Digital Labs Imperial delay. And that great feature is ducking. The description of the duck feature in the Imperial delay manual is the duck compressor uses the dry input as the sidechain, but compresses the delayed output. In short, this turns down the delay when there is sound present at the input. Its purpose is to prevent dense delays from getting in the way of the dry sound. It lets you have more extreme delay settings while still letting your original dry track shine through. Let's first hear the synth line without any delay. With a quarter note delay, single repeat, no feedback, let's hear what the delay sounds like without the ducking. You can hear every single note being delayed. This often works, but sometimes it is nice to have the majority of the delay or all of the delay happen at the end of a phrase, only filling up the spaces between notes, or to create some depth at the end of a phrase. This is possible with automation, but ducking is also a way to achieve this, and can bring a different feel or vibe than automation. Not better or worse, but different. So the duck controls the threshold of the duck compressor. Now let's hear how using the duck we can control the delay during the busier parts, and leave the delay level turned up to really be heard at the end of the phrase. You can see the duck display on the right. The duck controls the threshold of what is being ducked, meaning when the signal is below the threshold, the notes are not being delayed. Like the manual states, this is a compressor that follows the delay output that is sidechained by the dry signal. Now we can turn up the feedback to generate some repeats. The smear control softens the repeat of the delay. This is good to create depth and to make the repeats feel farther away. Ducking delay is a feature not found in many delay plugins. I think many delay plugins bring a unique flavor, and I think the Imperial delay is one of my favorites. Ducking is only one of the many great features of the Imperial delay. You can use a delay without a ducking feature followed by a compressor and turn that delay into a ducking delay. The first example is using SoundToy's Echo Boy and the Studio One compressor. To do this, we insert a compressor after the delay. Put that compressor in sidechain mode and send the dry signal from the source to the compressor's sidechain input. I've already routed this in my session. Adjust the compressor so it ducks the delay when notes are being played, and it stops compressing when notes are not being played. We can also turn the included Studio One delay into a ducking delay the same way we did with Echo Boy, using a Studio One compressor using the sidechain input after the Studio One delay. Let's hear the Studio One delay. Now let's ABC the Imperial delay, Echo Boy, and the Studio One delay. Here's the Imperial delay. Now Echo Boy. And the Studio One delay. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe you learned something about ducking delays. Now go make some great music.